Oh, who hungry? I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook the hell out of these spare ribs. If you want to duplicate this recipe, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need garlic salt, onion, herb, seasoning oil, barbecue rub, and butter, okay? Butter. First step, we're going to wash our meat. Let me show y'all the price of these bad boys, because y'all know I am not spending a lot of money on food because I look for those deals. This was $18.69. I paid $15.16. You damn right.
That lovely.
You best to believe it. And for the other pack was only $11.60. Y'all know I get those deals. Look, I am not going to pay $20-something for no goddamn spare ribs. That's just not going to fight. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. Just wash these bad boys and get that stuff off the back, because you know you got to get the stuff, you know, just the thing off the back, rip it off, and I'll show y'all. All right. You see this little piece on the back? You want to get this thing off. So kind of work it with your nail a little bit. Work it with your nail. You got to have a paper towel handy too. So you're going to need a paper towel, okay? Kind of work your way. And once you get a good little piece, we're going to grab our paper towel. And we're going to grab it. And we're just going to pull that bad boy off. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's what you want to happen, okay? That's what you want. Oh yeah, because this is chewy. You don't want to be eating the chewy part on your spare ribs, okay? So you want to pull that off. And voila. It's already been washed. I'm going to throw it in the pan. Once you get all your pork washed up, you want to place it face down in the aluminum pan, okay? You don't want to add a lot of seasoning because your barbecue sauce is going to be a lot. It's going to have a whole lot of flavor into it. So you don't want your food to be coming out hella spicy, okay? So this is just the back of the spare ribs, okay? We're just going to season this lightly. Now we're going to flip it over to the front side. Then we're going to flip everything back around, okay? We're going to go here and do the front. This is the side we're going to lay back down, face down, okay? You don't want to cook your spare ribs face up. I don't know why, but it's just Tony's way. That's why it's called Tony's way, because I'm trying to hook y'all up, okay? Voila. Now we're going to add some butter to the sides, and we're going to get to wrapping this bad boy up. Country crock butter. I don't know why, but my family and I love country crock. We stay using country crock. Do is I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning oil to the top of that butter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flip all this back over. Remember, you want your bone facing up, guys. Your bone facing up. Y'all, that bad boy is in the oven, and my plan is we're gonna slow cook this for about 5 hours tops. That bad boy is that's gonna be the juiciest. What's on my nose? That's gonna be the juiciest spare ribs I ever made in my life. I'm trying to tell y'all. This is why it's called Tony's Way. Have I ever stirred anybody wrong? Ever? I'm listening. Have I ever? That's what I thought. I never stirred anybody wrong. All my recipes are, man, your feet, though. I'll see y'all in 5 hours when I'll see y'all in 5 hours. Alright, y'all, this been cooking for about 5 hours on low. I'll tell y'all, it smells so dang on good, y'all. Look at that. That is pork chops cooked to perfection, y'all. Look at that.
They're ribs. Baby.
Oh yeah, why did I say pork chops? Why do I always do that?
I don't know.
So what I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna take some juice and I'm just gonna go over the ones that look a little dry, because they wanting, I had to get a small pan. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some of this Stubbs sticky sweet legendary barbecue sauce all over these good old spare ribs, y'all. Damn it. All right, y'all, remember I cooked these down, facing down, right? So I just want to show y'all how it looks when I flip it over. so we can put the barbecue sauce on that side. Look how much juice is coming. Look at that. Look at that juice. Y'all see that?
Yes, baby.
All right. Let me just flip this back. Oh, that is juicy, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip all these bad boys back over onto the front so we can get that barbecue sauce on there. Barbecues, yeah. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good, man. This is absolutely divine. So we're just gonna go ahead and get that barbecue sauce on there, y'all. And we just wanna make sure we got all that on there, because that will sink to the bottom and get all the stuff. Oh gosh, I just can't wait to eat. All right. Now I could put it back in there in the oven, uncovered for a couple of minutes, or I could put it on broil. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back in here on broil for about 5 minutes, so this barbecue sauce can heat up and caramelize a little bit, and we'll be done. We got to put the onions on there. And you know you gotta add a little bit of seasoned oil to the onions. You just can't have plain onions on there. That's gonna taste nasty. Just took these out the oven. You can still see them sizzling. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at those spare ribs, y'all. Look at those goddamn spare ribs. Woo! Let's get these plates done. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and make my plate. As y'all can see, I got the onions on mine, okay? Because I like onions. They don't like onions like that. I'd rather have onions on my spare ribs. My family's a noobs. Bam.
You be quiet.
Nope, I will not. Y'all noobs.
No, we got to want onions with everything.
All right, you know what? Brussels sprouts are really good to have. It is really good for you. And there you have it, guys. Fall off the bone, spare ribs, Brussels sprout dinner. Y'all know I'm gonna be getting a bite for y'all. You rolling? Oh, okay. When you say something, I'm just sitting here looking stupid. All right, y'all. Y'all know I do a little bite test for y'all, man. Show y'all the greatness of my cooking, okay?
Oh,
Look at that. That's falling off the bone. Just look at that. That's just falling off the bone, man. No. Get some of your bread.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, with you. I can't.
Right, that's really good, man. That's magnificent. I'm gonna go turn this up, man. So y'all.